Diana Martinez is a retired school teacher. She now works at the old craft store where she teaches quilting classes.
I mean, everything for me is about people. You know, as a teacher, it's about people and being able to make a difference. I love teaching the beginner classes because I think that's where my strength is. I have a lot of patience with people, and that's where I get the gift. These are people who have, grown together as quilters, but also grown together as friends. They're not just, they're a community. That's what quilting is, really. It's about being in a community.
Myra Robinson is a frequent customer of the old craft store. Here she gets her quilt making material.
I started making these quilts when I started having grandchildren and great-grandchildren. I have 11 grandchildren and 20 great-grandchildren, and I made a quilt off and on all these years for each one. They're very accommodating to help me find my things and help me get things that really match and look well together. And that means a lot. When you just go into a big department store, they don't care. They just, here it is, take it. But these people will help you pick out what you need to get.
I love picking out fabrics and helping people decide on what their quilts need to look like. Quilting is something that I love. As a teacher, I really miss the interaction with people and with kids, and so coming here was a way for me to still be involved with a passion that I have, which is quilting.
For reporter Emma Caldwell, I'm Hadyn Knight reporting for the Gloria Shields Workshop.